Hi everyone, in today's video I'll be sharing with you all how to make a very good and amazing hair growth oil that you can use on your scalp to improve hair growth and also on your strands to lock in moisture. So guys, in a container I'll be adding 1 spoon of fenugreek seed, then I'll be adding 1 spoon of fennel seeds, 1 spoon of cloves, 1 spoon of rosemary leaves, and some pieces of hibiscus flowers. After adding them, I'll go ahead and add my olive oil into it. You can use any carrier oil of your choice, okay? After adding them all together, I'm going to keep it aside and let it infuse for many days. Like I'll add mine to infuse for 3 whole weeks. You can leave it as much as 1 month or even 3 weeks, okay? So I'm going to be covering it up. After covering it, I will shake it a little bit and set it aside. So guys, this is 3 weeks later and this is what our hair growth oil looks like. Can you see that the color have changed a little bit, and right now the nutrients have infused into the oil. If you want to make a hair growth oil, this is a very good one that you can try out, okay? So right now I am going to be separating the ingredients with this tiny sieve and a piece of cloth to remove any form of particles from the oil, because I'm going to be using a spray bottle to apply the oil on my hair, so I wouldn't want any particle from the oil to clog the spray bottle. So right now I am straining it out, and the piece of cloth is going to help remove the tiny particles from the oil. Can you see how clear the oil is? This oil contains nutrients that can help strengthen your hair. It contains nutrients that stimulate hair growth. It contains nutrients that strengthens your hair and also prevents dandruff. So guys, this is what our hair growth oil looks like. Let me know if you'll be trying this out. You can do your own research to know more about the benefits of the items I use for this oil, and please like and subscribe to my channel.